Refee Technology Company Limited is a China national high-tech enterprise founded in 2011. We are a manufacturer located in second floor of One Building Juyuan Industrial Park, specialized in digital signage solutions for over 9 years, while being the trusted vendor for BOSCH, SISLEY, P&G, Samsung, Wal-Mart. Committed to the latest technology application, design, research, and development of commercial displays, Refee provides complete solutions. With experienced software and hardware engineering team, Refee brings customer concept, sketch to engineering sample, and final mass production. We adhere to the concept of leading new advertising media and spreading brand value to help customers enhance brand value and the profits brought by advertising. Refee mainly operates in the North American, European, and Middle East markets and has signed strategic partnership agreements with well-known local companies in the United States, Germany, Britain, France. Refee has established ISO 9001 quality management system and various product certifications exported abroad, CCC, COC of CE and ROS, FCC. It's our innovative design, expert engineering, personalized customer service, and competitive pricing which constitutes our competency. Using our years of industry expertise, we are fully equipped to provide complete turnkey solutions, developing software to be used alongside the hardware that we manufacture. Refee provides 1-year warranty for all the products. We are hoping to bring you the most appropriate solution to hold our longest cooperation.